Gstar has a GW level plus high standard of new intelligent battery and component production base, which covers a total area of 120,000 square meters and is equipped with industry-leading efficient component production equipment. The production lines are compatible with mounting main-grade batteries of various sizes ranging from 166 to 182 mm and has the capacity to upgrade to manufacturing 200 mm super batteries. The company boasts HJT, TOPCon, BIPV production lines, and all mainstream products and technologies on the market, including 182 to 210 mm single crystal solar photovoltaic modules, efficient TOPCon solar panels, BIPV PV building integration products, leading battery energy storage products, thus realizing the transition from manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. The company has warehouses in the US, Germany, and Thailand. The production base in Thailand has a bonded warehouse and a BOI factory, which help guarantee convenient and efficient services. Every detail counts. Gstar implements extremely rigorous inspection processes to provide high-quality services for global customers.